How do high-voltage lines transmit electricity over long distances? Imagine a giant highway for electricity stretching across the country. That's what high-voltage transmission lines are. They carry electricity from power plants to cities and towns. But how do they do it so efficiently? Let's find out. Electricity is made at power plants, often located far from where people live. To send this power over hundreds of miles without losing too much energy, utilities use high-voltage lines. These lines operate at extremely high voltages, like 230,000 volts or even up to 500,000 volts. The reason is simple. Higher voltage means lower current for the same amount of power. When electricity travels through wires, it faces resistance. Resistance causes energy to be lost as heat. The more current flowing through the wire, the more heat is generated, and more energy is wasted. To keep losses low, utilities step up the voltage at the power plant using special transformers. This makes the electricity travel at high voltage and low current, which reduces the heat loss. Once the electricity reaches its destination, another transformer steps down the voltage to safer levels for homes and businesses. These high-voltage lines are supported by tall towers or poles, spaced far apart to prevent sparks or arcing. The spacing and insulation are carefully designed to handle the high voltages safely. Most transmission lines use alternating current, which means the direction of the flow reverses many times each second. This makes it easy to change voltage levels with transformers. But over very long distances, alternating current can lose some energy due to reactive power, which does not do useful work but helps maintain voltage levels. For extremely long distances, some utilities use high-voltage direct current, which does not have reactive power losses. This type of transmission is more efficient over thousands of miles but requires expensive equipment to convert between alternating and direct current. High-voltage transmission lines are vital for grid reliability. They allow electricity to flow from remote sources like wind farms or hydroelectric dams to cities. This interconnected network helps balance supply and demand across large regions. If one area needs more power, electricity can be imported from another, preventing blackouts. To keep everything running smoothly, utilities regularly inspect and maintain these lines. They use drones and advanced cameras to spot damage early. This ongoing care keeps the grid reliable and safe. In essence, high-voltage lines are the backbone of the electric grid. They move large amounts of electricity over long distances efficiently, helping us get power where we need it most. By operating at high voltages, utilities reduce energy losses, lower costs, and ensure a steady, reliable supply of electricity for everyone.